Love is a universal human experience that can bring us immense joy and fulfillment, but also intense pain and heartache. As we navigate our relationships, it's easy to get caught up in the romance and overlook the fascinating psychological forces at play. By understanding these forces, we can deepen our appreciation for the people we care about and maybe even become better partners ourselves. One common misconception about love is that it's purely a feeling, something that just happens to us. But the truth is, our experiences and perceptions of love are heavily influenced by psychological factors. For instance, our attachment styles, which are shaped by our early relationships with caregivers, can affect how we approach intimacy and conflict in our adult relationships. This challenges the idea that love is just a magical, uncontrollable force that sweeps us off our feet. Another misconception is that we love someone for who they are, but research suggests that we often love them for who they help us to be. This idea is closely tied to the concept of self-expansion theory, which proposes that we seek out relationships that allow us to grow and become the best version of ourselves. So, in a way, our love for someone is not just about them, but about the possibilities they represent for our own personal growth. Some people also believe that love is a rational choice, something we can carefully consider and decide on. But the reality is that our brains are wired to respond to certain cues and stimuli when it comes to love, making our choices less rational than we might think. For example, proximity plays a huge role in who we end up loving. We are much more likely to develop feelings for someone who's physically close to us or who's readily available. The science of love also reveals some surprising truths. Did you know that our brains can't distinguish between the physical sensations of love and those of fear or anxiety? This is why love can sometimes feel so intense and all-consuming. It's like our brain is trying to process a whole range of emotions at once. The concept of love at first sight is also backed by science. Research has shown that our brains can make snap judgments about someone's attractiveness and compatibility in a matter of milliseconds. This instantaneous attraction can be a powerful force, but it's also worth remembering that it can be influenced by a range of factors, from cultural norms to personal biases. One of the most surprising facts about love is how it affects our mental well-being. Studies have shown that people in long-term, fulfilling relationships tend to have better mental health and even live longer than those who are single or in unhappy relationships. This underscores the importance of nurturing our relationships and prioritizing our emotional well-being. In fact, the quality of our relationships has a profound impact on our overall happiness. By understanding the psychology of love, we can take steps to build stronger, more resilient connections with the people we care about. So there you have it, a look at some of the fascinating psychology facts that underlie love and relationships. By understanding these forces, we can approach love with a more open heart and mind. What did you think? Which of these psychology facts surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments, and be sure to check out my next video for some practical tips on building stronger relationships.